ka-soulmates. So, this afternoon, we will be talking about my first ever video or educational video just for you. Alright, but before that, let me first say thank you very much mga ka-soulmate because pinaabot nyong 63 subscribers ang aking YouTube channel just right now. Okay? So, kagabi ko lang sinabi na first 50 subscribers, I will be uploading my first ever video, my educational video. But then, grabe, ka-soulmates, ang lalakas ninyo. Ginawa nyong 63 subscribers. Grabe. Sobrang thank you, mga ka-soulmates. So, dahil nagpapasalamat ako sa inyo, ito yung first educational video ko. We will be talking about quadratic functions. So, abang-abang mga grade 9 dyan. So, this is a grade 9 lesson, and that is a quadratic functions, transforming quadratic functions to or from general form into its vertex form. So, that's only the part 1.
Welcome to Soulmate Learning Channel, where you can study, learn, and have fun at the same time. A channel that helps, assists, and will make learning easy for you. If you are new here, kindly click the subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell for you to be updated all the time. You can also click the like button and comment down the lessons that you want to be discussed with me. If you'll find this video helpful, help me share this with your friends. I am your teacher Marvy, your forever marvelous soulmate.
Alright, so we will be transforming quadratic functions. So basically, we have forms of quadratic functions. You have this one, which is f of x is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. That is the general term or the general form. You also have this one, which is the f of x is equal to a times the quantity of x minus h squared plus k, which is your vertex form. Now, as you can see, if you're going to differentiate or compare these two forms, in your vertex form, of course, you have your h and k. That is actually the vertex. Your h, k is the vertex. Now, there's a need for us to find for the value of your h and k. Now, in order for us to find the value of your h and k, we need these two formulas. Your h is equal to negative b over 2a, and your k is equal to 4ac minus b squared over 4a. Now, let's take this example. F of x is equal to x squared minus 8x plus 12. First step that you need to do is to get all the values of your a, your b, and your c. Now, based from this given equation, f of x is equal to x squared minus 8x plus 12, your a is actually the coefficient of your first term, x squared. So, since there is no coefficient, actually there's an invisible one there, so your a is 1. Your b is negative 8. And your c, which is the constant, is your 12. Now, your b is the coefficient of the middle term or the second term. Now, we're done with your a, b, and c, the values of your a, b, and c. Now, we can move on to our second step. And our second step is for us to find the value of your h and k. Let's get first the value of your h. Your h is equal to negative b over 2a. Negative b, your b is negative 8, and close that into a parenthesis. All over by 2, your a is 1. Now, simplifying this further, negative, multiply that to negative 8, that becomes positive. And 2 times 1, that's 2. So, 8 over 2 or 8 divided by 2, that gives us 4. So, the value of our h is 4. Now, we're ready to get the value of your k. Our k is 4ac minus b squared all over by 4a. Now it's just a matter of substituting. So we have our A, which is equal to 1, our C, which is equal to 12, minus your B is negative 8 square, all over by your 4, and your A, which is 1. Now, multiplying this 4 times 1, that gives you 4, times 12, that's 48, minus, perform first the expression inside the parenthesis. So negative 8 squared, that gives us positive 64. All over by 4 times 1, that is 4. Now let's proceed with our solution. We already get the value of your h, which is 4. Now we're not yet done with the value of our k. So our resulting equation is 48 minus 64 over 4. So 48 minus 64, as you can see, you are subtracting a bigger number from a lesser number or from a smaller number. Definitely your answer will be negative. So 48 minus 64, subtracting them, you get negative 16 all over by 4. Now, simplifying this further, negative 16 over 4 is the same as negative 16 divided by 4. That is actually 4. Integer rule. So our k is 4. Now we have the value of h, which is 4, and the value of k, which is negative 4. We can now use this equation, the vertex form, in order for us to transform this equation into its vertex form by substituting. So you have y, f of x is the same as y, which is equal to a x minus h squared plus k. Now your a, the value of your a is 1, so you can just write there 1 or just disregard it. You can just remove it. So your x minus your h is 4 minus h, which is 4 square. And then since that is addition, but since you have subtraction here or negative sign, you will just carry the sign of this minus 4. So there you go. We already got the vertex form, that is now the vertex form of your general form. So that's how you do, or that's how you transform general form to a vertex form.
Thank you for watching. God bless, and to God be all the glory.